Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the heatsink replacement on the Lenovo X1 Carbon Gen 10, gather the following tools: a Phillips number 00 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, thermal paste, and an anti-static wrist strap. Make sure you are working in a static-free environment to prevent any damage to your laptop's components. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the back cover by unscrewing the 10 Phillips screws. Keep these screws organized, as they vary in size. After removing the screws, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover, starting from one corner and moving around the edges to avoid breaking the clips. Once the back cover is off, locate the heatsink, which is situated above the CPU and GPU. You'll notice several screws securing it in place. Carefully unscrew these screws in a crisscross pattern to release the heatsink evenly. This will prevent any damage to the processor. If you find it difficult to unscrew, applying a little pressure while turning can help. After the screws are removed, gently lift the heatsink off the CPU and GPU. Be cautious, as there may be old thermal paste adhering it to the processor. If you encounter resistance, use the plastic spudger to gently pry it loose. Once removed, you will see a layer of thermal paste on both the processor and the heatsink. To clean the surfaces, use isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth to remove the old thermal paste from both the CPU and the heatsink. Ensure that both surfaces are completely clean before applying new thermal paste. This step is crucial for optimal heat transfer, which will enhance the overall performance of your laptop. Now, apply a small pea-sized amount of thermal paste on the center of the CPU. It's important not to use too much, as it can spill over and cause issues. Replace the heatsink by aligning it with the CPU and GPU and carefully pressing it down. Secure it by tightening the screws in the same crisscross pattern you used to remove them. If you encounter any challenges during this process or don't have the necessary tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation in pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you can avoid the hassle of calls and travel, and get a quote before any repairs take place. After securing the heatsink, you can now replace the back cover. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Reinsert the 10 screws, ensuring that they are tightened securely but not over-tightened, as this can cause damage. Finally, reconnect your laptop to power and turn it on. Monitor the temperatures to ensure that the new heatsink is functioning properly. If you notice any irregularities, consider reaching out for our services to ensure everything is working as it should. With these steps, you've successfully replaced the heatsink on your Lenovo X1 Carbon Gen 10. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.